How to download the stock Miui ROM for the Indian variant of the Poco X3 Pro codenamed bhima. Hey peeps, what's up, Munchie here, back with another small video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the stock Miui ROM for the Indian variant of the Poco X3 Pro, which is codenamed bhima. So for starters, you do need to go to this website called Xiaomi Firmware Updater and tap on scroll to downloads. You need to go over here, this section, device firmware ROM. Select archive device. If you type in bhima, you do not get anything, and that is because you have to blame Xiaomi or Poco India for that. They codenamed the device bhima, but the ROMs are available under the code named Vayu. So herein you type in Vayu. This will bring us Poco X3 Pro. Select this ROM and archive and then select download. Now again, obnoxious ads, but if you and add to that autoplay ads. Anyways, so here it is. This is the list. Now herein you need to look for Poco X3 Pro India, and you can see Poco X3 Pro India, Poco X3 Pro India, and then you can scroll around here, and this is 12.5.3. and if you go into download, so here we are on the next page, Poco X3 Pro India 12.5.3. Herein you need to scroll down. Now this here is the first ROM. Codename will come as Vayu. Do not worry. This is for the Indian variant, which is codenamed bhima. How do you know? If you see the package name, it is Vayu in global. So IN here stands for India. Similarly, in the MIUI version 12.5.3, you will notice RJUINXM. So IN here again stands for India, and this is the recovery ROM. So if you see the type, this is the recovery ROM. Now for flashing via TWRP, you do need the full ROM. If you scroll down a bit more, again Poco X3 Pro India, code name is Vayu. Do not worry, this will work on bhima. In fact, this is for bhima. Then here also the type is different now this time around. So this is the fast boot ROM, but if you see the package name, it is Vayu underscore in again. So this is for the Indian variant of the Poco X3 Pro, and of course this is the fast boot ROM, and this is for the device which you see code named bhima. And there it is, peeps. That is what happens when you rebrand Chinese devices and do not sell them properly. So yeah, that is how you download the stock ROM for the Indian variant of the Poco X3 Pro, which is code named bhima. Now another question which I might get is it safe to download the ROM from this specific website? Well, the answer to that is it is safe. Why? Because the website is only a front end. All the links which you see on that website are from Xiaomi's servers directly. So if you ever figure out how to find the original download link of the zip file once you download it on your phone, and have a look at the link, it will be something called Big OTA from Xiaomi's servers. So the links to the ROMs are from Xiaomi's servers directly. I do not know about the firmware and stuff, but the links to the ROMs are from Xiaomi's servers directly. Now those of you who did not close the video yet and are wondering why I am making this video, because I'm getting a bunch of comments that will this ROM work on bhima, where is the ROM for bhima, where is the ROM for bhima, and of course the flashing tutorials are linked in the description of the video. Those of you who are interested in knowing the difference between Poco X3 Pro Indian and global variant, video for that can also be found in the description of the video.